Just one or two, right, Arthur?
Of course, just a drink. No big drama. Can we get a couple beers, please?
I don't want no trouble.
You'll get none from me. I was defending myself.
Tommy, he's...
You'll be fine. Here, have one for yourself.
Thank you.
Micah seemed to know a lot of people. That was the problem.
How you mean?
I mean, I done seen a lot of crazy stuff, but Micah...
A lot of crazy stuff.
Will you shut up?
Will you shut up?
Be quiet, buddy.
Oh, they're dullards. My lord. You men is dull.
Hey, leave this fool alone.
Leave the fool alone. People been leaving me alone for the last 10 years. I'm bored.
Will you shut the hell up?
Get the hell off me!
Get out of here!
Don't come back.
Hey, one last drink.
Yeah, just one more.
Exactly. Oh. Well. That's great, partner. Lenny, where are you? Lenny, where are you? Hey, buddy. Hey, Lenny! Lenny! Lenny? What are you doing, kid?
Hello, Arthur. You know what? I don't know. Why ain't you never married?
That's the thing, you see, because it... Lenny? Lenny! Get away from me! Now! Lenny! Are you in here, Lenny? Get down, Lenny! You know where Lenny is? Leave the kid alone, you goddamn animals!
Who do you think you're talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to nobody.
What did you say?
What?
I said, what did you say?
Get lost, buddy.
Shut up, mister. Yeah, shut your mouth, mister.
Lenny! You bastard! Lenny!
How many of you have, pal?
Oh, Lenny! Found you, Lenny!
Do I look like a Lenny to you?
Lenny, where are you hiding now? There you are, Lenny.
Lenny, go away, you drunk.
Lenny, my boy!
You mean Jenny? She left with a John an hour ago.
Been looking all over for you, Lenny.
I'm Clyde. You got the wrong fellow.
Lenny!
Arthur, what are you doing? You're a good friend to me, Arthur.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not you again? ain't enough.
Arthur! You alive? Arthur! God, you alive, Arthur?
I want to die. Where are we? What did we do?
I don't know.
Oh, me neither. Yeah.
You pair degenerates. There's a fine for drunken violence in this town. You're just lucky no one was killed.
Hey, we didn't start a thing.
Yes, you did.
Well, I don't remember.
Either you fools got any money, it's $10 and you're free to walk.
Sure.
Now, get out of here. I don't want to see either of you around here no more.
So, that was a quiet drink?
First one was pretty quiet.
Yeah, the first one was pretty quiet.
At least it took your mind off goddamn Mikey.
Well, that's certainly true. I gotta get out of here.
I'm just gonna have a little sit down and feel sorry for myself. Oh.